Hello and welcome to Dataczar. Today I'm going to show you how to get started with Dataczar Connect. So first we're going to go to Dataczar.com and we're going to sign up for an account. So let's go ahead and click sign up. Let me get my name here and my email address. And let's see, my password. And confirm password. And I don't have a referral code, that's optional. I'm going to confirm that I'm not a robot. And let's click register. Okay, my phone number. And we're going to send a confirmation code. So I'm just going to wait for that here real quick on my phone. And it's coming in, so let me go ahead and get that real quick here. So my confirmation code is 1186. Let me confirm. Okay, great. So now once you sign up, you get this business interview that you want to make sure that you complete. So let's just go with our business name is example business. And the address, 123 Example Street. And we're going to go Los Angeles, California. And the zip code, let's go 99999. And my phone number, we'll just do that. Okay. And we're going to go ahead and click use this info to help customers find your business, because this is going to also show up on the website too. So let's go ahead and go to next right here. And then now we want to enter our social media links. And when you enter the social media links, make sure you enter the complete URL. So the Facebook, we're going to enter our Dataczar Facebook. And let's go ahead and do Instagram too. So here's Instagram. Let's do that. And make sure you have the HTTPS, www, Instagram.com, the whole thing. You have to have the complete URL. And we're going to click Save Changes. So we completed the business interview. We can confirm our email address here. We're going to do that later. Register your domain. Let's go ahead and click here to register the domain. And AAA outdoor scenes.com. Let's see if that's available. And that is available. We would click register here. And then we would click register here to confirm. Now we're not going to actually register this today, but if we did register it, it would take us to billing right here. So on the billing, let's go ahead and enter a card number. Okay, and the month, year, and the CVC, and the zip code, and let's add that. Okay, so now we get to select a plan. We can either go with the basic plan or the pro plan, and every basic or pro plan includes your domain, which we didn't register yet, along with your hosting, renewals, secure SSL, email marketing, and other benefits. And you get to try it for 30 days, and then it's just $9.95 per month for the basic plan. It's $19.95 per month for the pro plan. So the main difference is on the email marketing, you can start with either 2,000 emails per month or 5,000 emails per month. But you can see that includes your domain name, your hosting, your renewals, your private domain registration, your secure SSL, includes all the benefits. We're going to go ahead and go with the basic plan. So there we go. So now we have the basic plan, and even though we didn't sign up for a domain yet, every website, every plan that signs up comes with a website. So if you click on the website button, your domain name will be right here had we registered a domain. But even if we haven't, we still get the public preview URL. So this is what your website's going to look like. And so there we go. We have our website right here, and it has the information we put on it. There's our Facebook right here. That's already loaded. It has our Instagram right here. That's already loaded. Has our address and our phone number that we put in. And you can adjust this too. So if you want to change any of this, you can. So let's just go back to Connect where we were. And if you want to adjust any of your information, you go to Manage Accounts and you can edit it right here. That's where we did the business interview. All this information right here is from the business interview, and that's under Manage Accounts. So let's go ahead and go back to website. And then these are the editing tools, post, pages, and settings. And we have some webinars on that. As a matter of fact, go to Education on the main menu. And then you'll want to watch this first video, how to start building your website. That's a great one to watch. So let's go back to website. And we're going to go back to dashboard. And that's it. That's how to get started with Dataczar Connect.